White bread. Made from refined wheat flour with the bran and germ removed, white bread is soft, pale, and mild in flavor. It became widely popular during industrialization because it stayed consistent and appealing for mass production. The texture is airy and easy to chew, which is why it is often used for sandwiches and toast. Although it lacks some nutrients found in whole grains, its neutral taste makes it adaptable to both sweet and savory foods. Whole wheat bread. This bread uses flour that includes the entire wheat kernel, giving it a darker color and denser texture. The presence of bran and germ adds fiber, vitamins, and a slightly nutty flavor. It feels more filling than white bread and is often chosen for everyday meals that aim to be more nutritious. The heavier crumb also holds up well to hearty toppings. Sourdough. Instead of commercial yeast, sourdough rises using a natural starter made from wild yeast and bacteria. This slow fermentation creates a subtle tang and a chewy texture with an open crumb. The crust is usually thick and crisp, formed during high-heat baking. Sourdough has been made for thousands of years, long before packaged yeast existed, making it one of the oldest bread traditions still in daily use. Baguette. Originating in France, the baguette is long, slender, and known for its deeply browned crust. Inside, the bread is light with irregular air pockets created during fermentation. It is typically baked fresh daily and is meant to be eaten soon after, as the crust softens over time. The simple ingredients highlight technique rather than richness, making it a symbol of traditional European baking. Rye bread. Made partly or entirely from rye flour, this bread has a darker color and a distinct earthy flavor. Rye contains less gluten than wheat, so the texture is tighter and more compact. In many northern and eastern European countries, rye bread has been a staple for centuries because rye grains grow well in colder climates. Its bold taste pairs especially well with savory foods. Ciabatta. An Italian bread recognizable by its wide, flat shape and flour-dusted crust. The dough is very wet, which creates large holes inside and a tender, slightly chewy bite. Ciabatta was developed in the late 20th century as a response to the popularity of French baguettes, offering a distinctly Italian alternative. It is commonly sliced for sandwiches because it holds fillings without becoming overly dense. Brioche. Enriched with butter, eggs, and sometimes milk, brioche is closer to pastry than simple bread. The crumb is soft, golden, and slightly sweet, with a rich aroma that comes from its high fat content. This style originated in France and is often used for desserts, breakfast items, or luxurious sandwich buns. Its tenderness and flavor make it feel indulgent compared to lean breads made only from flour, water, salt, and yeast.